Are we going on an Easter egg hunt? What kind of Easter egg hunt? Monster truck Easter egg hunt? Or Monster Jam Easter egg hunt? Ah! Alright, should we grab our basket and go?
Yeah.
Come on, Gravedigger. Let's go. Hop, hop, hop. Alright, where do we find one? Where are they? Where did the Easter Bunny hide them? Oh, do you see one? Then go get it. Okay, don't throw it though. There you go. Alright, where's another one? Oh, then go get it. Oh, careful. Here, how about you just leave the basket here for now? You go down and get it. Hi! Yay, you got it! Be careful. There you go. Okay, where do you find another one? Regan, where can you find another one? Regan. Oh, a purple one. Go get it. Grab it, Regan. Yep, put it in. Okay, where do you see another one? We got how many more? 4? 4 more to find? Oh, you see another one? Woo! Woo! Okay, now 3 more. Where do you see another one? I spy one in where you throw a ball. Where do you throw a ball? Basketball hoop? Right. How about you put the basket down? Yeah? Alright, 2 more. Where are 2 more? A pink and a purple one. Did you see one? Oh, did you find one? Woohoo! One more. You see it? Okay, I'll come and get the purple one. You go get the last one. Okay, bring it over here. Alright, let's open these and see what we got.
Yay!
Okay, open them. Who did we get first? Oh, what is the one zebra is called? We got a zebra one.
Yeah.
Alright, there. Grab the next one. Oh, who do we get? Neon Sparkle Smash?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, put it next to Zebra. Okay, who's next? Who is that? Dragonoid?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Alright, who's in the blue egg? Rainbow Blast? Wow. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, 4. We got one more and 2 surprise. Okay, it's in the purple. Purple egg. The little purple egg. Who do we get? Neon Max D? Wow. Who's in the mystery eggs? The Monster Jam Minis. Who do we get? Oh, it's the pirate guy. A gold what is his name? Oh, I'm so bad at this. I knew his name a minute ago. Anyways, that guy. And who else? We don't even have any monster trucks of this guy. Who do we get? Whoa! We got, Megalodon! We don't have a mini Megalodon. Cool. Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.
Say Happy Easter.